बोले वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की, राधा रानी की, श्रीमद् सद्गुरु सरकार की
जय।
अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। सदाराधिकानां जिह्वाग्रतस्यात् सदाराधिकारूपमक्ष्णग्रास्ताम् श्रुतौ राधिका कीर्तिरन्तस्वभावे गुणाराधिकाया श्रिया एतधीहे। वन्दे बृन्दावनानन्दा राधिका परमेश्वरी गोपिकां परमां शुद्धां लादिनीं शक्तिरूपिणी नमः कमलना भाय नमः कमलमालिने नमः कमलपादाय नमस्ते कमलेक्षण यो ब्रह्माणं विदधाति पूर्वं यो वै वेदांश्च प्रहिणोति तस्मै तद्ग्वंह देवमात्मबुद्धिप्रकाशं मुमुक्षुर्वै शरणमहं प्रपद्ये। बोले राधा रानी की जय। The divine souls, the devotees of the Supreme Lord. First, let me say Radhe Radhe to each and every one, and my pranam, my humblest prostrations to all of you. Today we are celebrating Radhashtami. आज राधाष्टमी मना रहे हैं। ये राधा रानी कौन है और राधाष्टमी क्यों मनाना है, कल से हमने शुरू किया। इसके बारे में आज भी थोड़ा और विस्तार करेंगे। Who is Radha Rani and why we are celebrating Radhashtami? I began to explain from yesterday. It's part 1. I told you I'll do 2 days. 2 days is not enough. 2 years is not enough. No one can really speak on who is Radha Rani. I told you that Shri Krishna took uncountable forms. Paramadhan Radhe Naam Adhar Kotin Roop Dhare Nanda Nandan Tau na payo par Paramadhan Radhe Naam Adhar. Shri Krishna took uncountable form to find out who is Radharani, yet he could not. And Shri Krishna can, then who is Brahma, Vishnu, Shankar, and then who is ordinary soul on the Maya like me? Anadikar Cheshta, unauthorized attempt. Unauthorized. Someone claims they can talk about Radharani or tell who is Radharani. That's good. I can't. Even then, whatever little I have gained from my Gurudev, Jagat Guru Tam Shri Kripaluji Mahaprabhu, the fifth original Jagat Guru, and in my estimation, Radha Avatari ही है, descension of Radha Rani herself. Through His divine grace, I am able to say a little bit. Before I continue, we'll do some kirtan. I told you that Radha Rani is so special because she is the soul, Atma. Atma tu Radhika tasya, the Veda says. Radha Rani is the Atma, the soul of Shri Krishna. So Shri Krishna serves Radha Rani. We serve ours, Atma. We serve ours, the body. This body serves us, the soul, Atma. Our soul is the body of Shri Krishna. We are the eternal servants of Shri Krishna. Our aim in life is to serve Shri Krishna. And since Radha Rani is the soul of Shri Krishna, in the same way Shri Krishna serves Radha Rani. He is the servant, to chakari karte. He does seva. He is begging for seva. So today we are celebrating. So the beautiful bhajan we will sing. कीर्ति घर प्रकटी कीर्ति कुमारी, कीर्ति घर प्रकटी कीर्ति कुमारी, कीर्ति घर प्रकटी कीर्ति कुमारी, कीर्ति घर प्रकटी कीर्ति कुमारी। ओ कीर्ति घर प्रकटी कीर्ति कुमारी, कीर्ति घर प्रकटी कीर्ति कुमारी, कीर्ति घर प्रकटी कीर्ति कुमारी, कीर्ति घर प्रकटी कीर्ति कुमारी। ओ कीर्ति घर प्रकटी कीर्ति कुमारी, कीर्ति घर प्रकटी कीर्ति कुमारी। Just as Shri Krishna appeared before Devaki, Radha Rani is told Ayonij. Radha Rani did not come from the womb. I'm going to be very brief, not go in detail, not enough time. So she appeared just in the same way, just as Shri Krishna sitting in the heart of Devaki made her feel she had a baby. Garbhe chavayuna purne nilipto Bhagavan Swayam, and was only filling air, and the mother got all the experiences. In the same way, Kirti Ma, the mother of Radharani, Queen Kirti, the wife of King Brishabhanu, she had all the feelings that I am having a baby. And Radharani appeared. Kirti Maya didn't see Radharani appear. That wasn't her desire. Devaki had the desire. Yashoda Maya didn't have the desire, so Yashoda Maya never saw Bhagwan appeared with the 4 arms and all. Devaki saw only. So Kirti Maya, with all the bliss, no feeling of pain, anything, all she knew, I have a baby. She opened her eyes and saw this beautiful little baby girl next to her. Radharani. Where she came from? From my belly, my womb. She has full confidence. She had all the feelings like a mother. But Radha Rani did not come from her womb. Just as Shri Krishna is divine, his body is also divine. Radha Rani is divine, her body is also divine. She doesn't come from the womb. As she appeared. When that supreme divine goddess, that even Shri Krishna is worshipping, appears in the world, then there's need to sing her glories and glorify her. So for that, special mantras in the Vedas, Purush Sukta, Swastivat mantra, etc., is used. But not anyone can do it. So who comes to do that? Brahma. Radha Rani did not say, come. I am going to appear, you should come and do all this Swastivat and all that. No. Brahma knew. And he came. He very joyfully he wanted to. Not only Brahma. Brahma is saying Vedas, but the Vedas themselves also came personified. Char Ved, Rig Ved, Yajur Ved, Sam Ved, Atharva Ved, they all appeared. And they all started doing Swastivat mantra, Swastena Indro Bridhashravaha, Swastina Pukha Vishwavedaha, etc. All of them, the Vedas as well as Brahma. कीर्ति घर प्रकटी कीर्ति कुमारी 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 ब्रह्मादिक स्वस्त्ययन पाठ कर ब्रह्मादिक स्वस्त्ययन पाठ ब्रह्मादिक स्वस्त्ययन पाठ कर ब्रह्मादिक स्वस्त्ययन पाठ कर कीर्ति घर हो कीर्ति घर आस्तुति करी श्रुति चारी कीर्ति घर प्रकटी कीर्ति कुमारी कीर्ति घर आस्तुति करी श्रुति चारी कीर्ति घर ओ कीर्ति घर प्रकटी कीर्ति कुमारी कीर्ति घर प्रकटी कीर्ति कुमारी कीर्ति घर प्रकटी कीर्ति कुमारी कीर्ति घर प्रकटी कीर्ति कुमारी. हाँ, so Brahma, creator, Srishtikarta, for head, and the four Vedas personified. They're doing Ved part. Purush Sukta mantra, Ved, Swastayan, Swastivach, etc. Also, Naraji. Naraji also came. Naraji is a great devotee. Naraji is also counted among the descendants of Sri Krishna. So, there are special songs sang when a child is born. But this, since the mother of the entire universe, the supreme goddess, has come, Naradji decided, I am going to sing those songs. Virdavali is called. And while Naradji is singing like that, the devatas, all the celestial gods have come. And they are playing their drums, etc. They have come in their aerial cars. And they are dancing and singing and Jaikar, they are doing Jaikar. Vishwabhanu Nandini ki Jai. Vishwabhanu Dulari ki Jai. Radha Rani ki Jai. That they are saying. They are doing Jaikar. Everyone is so happy. Now all this song and music is going on, there is need for some dance also. There should be some dance also. This is her birthday. She's appeared, come into school for a special purpose. So there should be dance also. Sometimes I tell you, well, now we have the COVID, so we're not doing it in that big way. But we should have dance also when we do special celebration, birthday of Bhagwan, birthday of Guru, etc. So who is going to dance? Shankar Bhagwan. Not no Devi from heaven, no Gandharva. The greatest devotee of Sri Krishna, Radha Krishna, is Shankarji. Vaishnavanam yatha Shambhu. The Bhagavad says the greatest devotee of Radha Krishna is Shiv. So Shiv has a special dance. It's called Tandav Nitya. Tandav. People dance in the world. That's foolishness. They try to imitate. Shankarji dances, he's in Samadhi. He doesn't even know nothing. He's in Samadhi and he's doing this dance. This Tandav dance while in Samadhi. Hosh mein nahi hai, not conscious. In the Samadhi, he's doing this Tandav Nitya. Suddhi buddhi deha bisari. He does not know anything. All in that joy and that bliss and that bhav. He's doing his Tandav Nitya. Kirti ghar prakati kirti kumari. Kirti ghar prakati kirti kumari.
Kirti ghar prakati kirti kumari. Kirti ghar prakati kirti kumari.
Nardari virdavali gavat.
Nardari virdavali gavat.
Nardari virdavali gavat.
Nardari virdavali gavat.
O kirti ghar kahi jai bhanu dulari. Kirti ghar prakati kirti kumari.
Kirti
jai ho.
jai bhanu dulari. Kirti ghar prakati kirti kumari.
O kirti ghar prakati kirti kumari. Kirti ghar prakati kirti kumari.
Kirti ghar prakati kirti kumari. Kirti ghar prakati kirti kumari.
O तांडव नृत्य करत शिव शंकर.
तांडव नृत्य करत शिव शंकर.
ओ तांडव नृत्य करत शिव शंकर.
तांडव नृत्य करत शिव शंकर.
ओ कीर्ति घर सुधि बुद्धि देह विसारी. कीर्ति घर प्रकटी कीर्ति.
कीर्ति ghar सुधि बुद्धि देह विसारी. कीर्ति ghar prakati kirti kumari.
कीर्ति घर प्रकटी कीर्ति कुमारी. कीर्ति घर प्रकटी कीर्ति कुमारी.
कीर्ति ghar prakati kirti kumari. कीर्ति ghar prakati kirti kumari.
People would, so many people have, like everybody has a mic. And we have so few people. Be careful when you hold the mic. You should not direct it towards any of the speakers. People who hold in the mic, don't be careless. Please. It causes feedback. So, Shankarji, Brahma is doing Swastivat mantra, etc., Ved mantra. Naraji is doing Virdavali. Welcoming songs, beautiful songs, glorifying Radharani. And Shivji is doing his Tandav Nitya. Now there's Aarti also. And who is going to do Aarti? Uma, Rama, Brahmani. Uma means Durga. Maha Durga. Rama means Mahalakshmi, Brahmani means Saraswati. Great personalities. They are all manifestations of Radharani, her divine Shakti, partial manifestations. This is their Swamini has come, their supreme mistress, governess has come. So they come to welcome her with Aarti. So they are doing the Aarti of Radharani. कीर्ति घर प्रकटी कीर्ति कुमारी कीर्ति घर प्रकटी कुमारी
कीर्ति घर प्रकटी कीर्ति कुमारी कीर्ति घर प्रकटी कीर्ति कुमारी
कुमार माँ ब्रह्मानी याद
कुमार माँ ब्रह्मानी आदिक
कुमार माँ ब्रह्मानी
कुमार माँ ब्रह्मानी आदिक
ओ कीर्ति घर आरती कुंवरी उतारी कीर्ति घर प्रकटी कीर्ति कुमारी
कीर्ति घर आरती कुंवरी उतारी कीर्ति घर प्रकटी कीर्ति कुमारी
ओ कीर्ति घर प्रकटी कीर्ति कुमारी कीर्ति घर प्रकटी कीर्ति कुमारी
कीर्ति घर प्रकटी कीर्ति कुमारी कीर्ति घर प्रकटी कीर्ति कुमारी
Also in that assembly, great Gyanis has come. Paramhans, Sanak, Sanandan, Sanatan, Sanak Kumar. Great Paramhanses, great Gyanis. They meditate on the formless aspect, seeing the formless aspect of their Lord has personified. They don't know what to say. Kuch कहने की वो नहीं. They don't know what to say. So all they can say is Balihar, Balihar, Balihar. Balihar means I sacrifice myself on this wonderful occasion. कीर्ति घर प्रकटी कीर्ति कुमारी कीर्ति घर प्रकटी कीर्ति कुमारी
कीर्ति घर प्रकटी कीर्ति कुमारी कीर्ति घर प्रकटी कीर्ति कुमारी
लखत कृपालु ज्ञानी जन इकटक
लखत कृपालु ज्ञानी एकटक
ओ लखत कृपालु ज्ञानी जन इकटक
लखत कृपालु ज्ञानी जन एकटक
कीर्ति घर पुनि पुनि कहे बलिहारी प्रकटी कीर्ति कुमारी
कीर्ति
बलिहार
पुनि कही बलिहारी
बलिहारी
प्रकटी कीर्ति कुमारी
ओ कीर्ति घर पुनि पुनि कहे बलिहारी कीर्ति घर प्रकटी कीर्ति कुमारी
कीर्ति घर पुनि पुनि कही बलिहारी कीर्ति घर प्रकटी कीर्ति कुमारी
कीर्ति घर प्रकटी कीर्ति कुमारी कीर्ति घर प्रकटी कीर्ति कुमारी
कीर्ति घर प्रकटी कीर्ति कुमारी कीर्ति घर प्रकटी कीर्ति कुमारी
बोले भानु दुलारी की
जय
नाउ पे अटेंशन प्लीज बहुत सावधान होके सुन लीजिए Be very alert and listen carefully. As I said, no one can glorify Radharani to the extent of who, no one can know who is Radharani. Even then, little bit is important to know. The more we know, the more we'll benefit, the more we will love. Very few know about the entity called Radha. In the Vedas, it's a beautiful rendition. Brahmavadino badanti kasmad radhikam upasate adityo bhyadravat atharva vedi radhika tapani upanishad. In Atharva Ved, it came in the mind of some Brahmagyani saints that leaving aside all the great Mahashaktis, Durga, Mahalakshmi, Saraswati, etc., why should we worship only Radharani? This question came in their mind. ये मन में आए प्रश्न. As soon as this question came in their mind, एक प्रकाश पुंज प्रकट हो गए आकाश में. A huge light appeared in the sky. Huge light. This light was the Vedas itself. And the light started speaking. Shrutaya uchuhu sarvani radhikaya devatani sarvani radhikaya stam namamah devatayatanani kampante radhaya hasanti nityanti cha sarvani radha devatani nayam puranani varanti samyaktam radhikam devadhatrim namamah जगर भर्तुर विश्व सम्मोहनस्य श्री कृष्णस्य प्राणतोधिकामपि बृंदारण्ये श्रेष्ठ देवीं च नित्यं तां राधिकां वनधाति नमामः यस्या रेणुं पादो विश्वभर्ता यस्या अंके विलुण्ठन् कृष्ण देवो गोलोकाख्यं नैव सास्मात् धाम परम सांशा कमला शैलपुत्री तां राधिकां शक्तिधात्रीं नमामः. Atharva Vedi Radhika Tapani Upanishad is only a small part of that mantra. It's much longer. The Vedas are saying. The Vedas say, they're saying to the Brahmagyanis, all the divine powers, Shakti, of all the gods and goddesses, all the Devis and Devatas, all gods, are manifested from Radha, that Radha Tattva entity called Radha alone. Therefore, we the Vedas, we also prostrate to Radha. All the divine Mahashaktis, Durga, Mahalakshmi, Saraswati, they tremble with fear in front of Radharani. Bhagwan Shri Krishna himself fearfully tries to keep Radha Rani happy all the time. That entity called Radha, whom we, the Vedas, Sankhya, Yoga, etc., cannot understand, whose beginning or end we cannot know, we do prostrations to her. She who is dearer than life itself to the husband of the entire universe, the son of Nanda. She is supremely worshipable by him, and she makes the surrendered souls fearless. To that Radha we do prostrations. The utmost limit of love, Sachidananda Brahma Shri Krishna, puts the foot dust of Radharani on his forehead during the Maharas, and because of the effect of her love, forgets his divine stick, Lakuti, his divine Murali flute, divine ornaments, etc., up to the point he sells himself to Radharani. To that Radharani, we the Vedas do salutations. Bhagwan Krishna, lying on a bed in the form of the body of Radharani, forgets his own blissful self and his own blissful divine abode Golok. To that Radharani, that Mahashakti, whose Mahashakti's partial manifestations are Durga, Mahalakshmi, Saraswati, etc., we the Vedas, we do prostrations. All this Durga, Mahalakshmi, Saraswati, all the powers. When you worship Radharani, you worship everyone. And you leave out Radharani, there's a tree, you pour water in the root of the tree, everything gets water. The branches, everything. You don't have to make separate effort. But you water only the branch and the leaf and the flowers, you don't water the root, that tree dies. Those foolish people in the world do not know who Radharani is. They leave her aside. The name Radha gives us an idea of who Radha Rani is. The Panini text, the Sanskrit text Grama, it says, Swadi parasmai padi rad dhatu rad sad sansiddhau. When the suffix a is added to the root word rad, we get the word radha, which means that entity which is worshipable by all. This is why the Vedas say, Krishnena aradhyate iti radha. In other words, that supreme Brahm, supreme soul, Shri Krishna, whom Brahma, Vishnu, Shankar and everyone worships, Durga, Lakshmi, Saraswati, everyone worships. He also worships someone. Who does Shri Krishna worship? He worships Radha. So Radha Rani is proven to be the supreme entity without a second. Unique, Advitiya. Advitiya ik tattva hai, Radha tattva pradhan. Bhakti Shatak. Number 1, Doha number 1. There are many other Ved mantras glorifying Radha, the entity called Radha. Vibhaktaram havamahe vashosh chittasya radhasah, Rigved. Stotram radhanam pate girvaho virayasya vibhutirastu, Rigved. Idam hyanvo jasa sutam radhanam pate pivatvasya girvanaha, Rigved. Many. There's something called preposition in English. In Hindi and Sanskrit, it's postposition. In English, we say preposition. It's called vibhakti in Sanskrit or Hindi, vibhakti. There are 7 vibhaktis. Preposition. Radha Rani has taken the 7 vibhaktis. Then in the name Radha has taken the 7 vibhakti in the Vedas. Radha, Radhansi, Radhasa, Radhase, Radhasaha, Radhasam, Radhasi. 7. The meaning, the gist of the meaning of all these Ved mantras is that Shri Krishna is the supreme Brahm, supreme power above all. Tam Ishwaranam Paramam Maheshwaram Tam Devatanam Paramam Cha Daivatam Patim Patinam Paramam Parastat Vidama Devam Bhuvanesha Midyam Shvetashvataropanishad, chapter 6, verse 7. Shri Krishna is supreme power, supreme Brahm. But Radharani is worshipped by that supreme power, supreme Brahm, Shri Krishna. This is the gist of all these mantras I just told you from Vedas. This is why Shri Krishna himself says in the Brahmanda Puran, Radhaiva Radhyate Maya. I worship only Radharani. Many places in many of the Puranas also we find description of Radha Rani, Radha Tattva, the entity called Radha. Padma Puran, Brahma Vaivat Puran, Brahmanda Puran, Devi Bhagavad Puran, Adi Puran, Skanda Puran, Matsya Puran, etc. Shining examples are also found in the Brihat Gautamiya Tantra, Narad Pancharatra, Garga Sanghita, etc. For all the Vaishnava Acharyas, Adi Jagat Guru Shankaracharya, Vallabhacharya, etc., Radha Rani is the form of life itself. Even though the description given by the Acharyas, the divine Acharyas are different, is also the same. Now, many philosophers, spiritual philosophers, doubting people, have expressed the doubt that among all the Puranas, Bhagavad Mahapuran is the greatest. Bhagavad is explanation of Vedas. This is the last book that Veda Vyas wrote. Yet there is no mention of Radha name in Bhagavad Mahapuran. They express this doubt. There's special reason for this. But even then, there is Radha's name in Bhagavad. Anayaradhito nunam Bhagavan Haririshwara. Bhagavad Mahapuran, 10th canto, 30th chapter, 28th verse. Radhito, Radha. Nirasta samyati shayena radhasa swadhama nibbrahma niransyate namaha. Bhagavad Mahapuran, 2nd canto, 4th chapter, 14th verse. Radhasa is Radha. From one of the Ved mantras, that was one of the Vibhakti. Radhasa. Now, we also have to understand, just as Shri Krishna has many, many names, Radharani also has many, many names. In this context, in the Bhagavad Mahapuran, Kamayamaha etasya Srimad Padarajah Shriyah Kuchakunkuma Gandhadhyam Mudhana Bodhum Gadabhritah. Bhagavad Mahapuran, 10th canto, 83rd chapter, 42nd verse. Here Radharani is being referred to by the name Shri. Shri. Vishwanath Chakravarti in his commentary has written about this. Now, the gist of this verse from Bhagavad Mahapuran is that the queens of Shri Krishna and Dwarika are desiring to get the foot dust of Radharani mixed with the saffron from the bosom of Shri Krishna. Now, even though the word Shri means Mahalakshmi also, the foot dust of Mahalakshmi, Rukmini, is always available in Dwarika. If they so wanted, she's right there. So here the word Shri refers only to Radharani. Again in the same way. Akshipta chittah pramadaramapates tasta vicheshta jaghustadatmikah. Bhagavad Mahapuran, 10th canto, 30th chapter, 2nd verse. Here Radharani is being referred to by the name Rama. The great Vaishnava Toshini, that great Vaishnava, Sanatan Goswami, one of the greatest devotees, has written about this very clearly in his commentary. The gist is, Shri Krishna suddenly disappeared from Maharas. Suddenly he disappeared from the Maharas. And the gopis, absorbed in the separation from Shri Krishna, in the anguish of separation, they have gone in samadhi. There's a bhav that's called samadhi. They go in samadhi. And in that state, they start acting out the pastimes of Shri Krishna. One became Putana, one became Shri Krishna. One became Aghasur, one became Krishna, etc. All the pastimes. Now, again here, also the word Rama means, if we take the word Rama to mean Lakshmi, then Ramapati. In this verse is saying Ramapati. Ramapati will be, the husband of Rama is Mahavishnu. But Mahavishnu does not have pastimes nor associates. And besides, the gopis never had pastimes with Mahavishnu. So here Rama means, Ramapati is Krishna. Rama means Radha. Again, the same way Rama, the word Rama is used. Rame Ramesho Braja Sundari Bhir Yatha Bhaghaswa Pratibimba Bimba. 10th Canto, 33rd chapter, 17th verse, Bhagavad Mahapuran. Here also Rama refers to Radha because only the beloved of Radha Rani has amorous pastimes with the gopis. In this way, many places, Radha Rani is referred to by different names. Sometimes the name Gopi, sometimes Brinda, sometimes Indira, Kanta, Atma, Priya, Lakshmi, etc., etc. The name Radha, except I showed you 2 places, is very rarely used and not clearly. She is referred to by different names. All is referred to Radharani. If someone still has a doubt, then listen to another reason. When Shukadev Paramhans was relating Maharas to Parikshit, King Parikshit, please do not be eaten and all that. King Parikshit, you see, there are many sins we can commit, more than 60, especially when you in where there is discourse about Bhagwan or chanting, and one of them is you shouldn't be chewing gum, you shouldn't be eating things, you have to pay attention. This is a sin, pap. This is all in scriptures. I don't want to go in detail here now. You might have wondered why I'm saying don't eat. And that also causes this, you open the rapa and then you're cracking the thing in your teeth, it causes disturbance. The person who is here and the mind is so fickle it runs. That's why these things are mentioned. You have to be very careful. Eat before, eat after. Drink before, drink after. At that time, man laga ke, in the scriptures you will see you have to focus your mind totally. Whenever there is a discourse, yagnavalkya, etc., you will see they're speaking to an audience. They will say, now focus the mind. Pay full attention. How can you pay attention? You're looking for some candy, opening this, doing that, looking for water. Leave it. A little bit you will get it sometime. If I speak for 8 hours, then I can understand. So we have to pay attention. Do not be careless. You are not going to pay attention, and then your activity is going to disturb someone else also too. So you are losing and you cause others to lose too. Double sin. This is good teaching, general teaching. So when you go to spiritual discourse, etc., in the future, you will be very careful, pay attention. Most people go, it goes through one eyes and come out the other one. Oh, tonight Babaji was so good. Oh, the katha was so good. I enjoyed. What? And what did you hear? I can't remember. I just had a good time. Entertainment. Most time is not proper. It's not good thing to listen to anyhow. It's mostly ignorance. Somebody's idea of what they think the scripture is saying. Unless we have a saint given the discourse or someone given that knowledge by a saint. Soi janahi jehi dehu janai. Anyhow, so Shukadev ji is related Maharas to Parikshit, Raja Parikshit. And Parikshit thinking the Ras to be filled with lust because the gopis, they're all wives of other men and they're having all his pastimes with Sri Krishna, Maharas. He raised accusation on the Ras again and again, not realizing that if there was the slightest slightest touch of lust in the ras, then how could that Paramahans from birth, supremely selfless Shukadev Paramahans, accept it? 3 times he raised accusation. Shukadev got angry. He said, if you doing this, then what will happen to people in the world? He caught Maharas right there. There is no Maharas in Bhagavad. People say, I'm going to tell you Maharas. Parikshit, Shukadev started to tell Maharas and he finished. What happened in between? Nothing. And people are claiming they can talk and tell about what is Maharas. Jai Ho. It's not even in Bhagavad. And what Maharas is, no one in the world can know. Rasik, they know. But they can't explain to us, even if they want to. It's also an accepted fact in the world that saying someone's name by sign or signal instead of saying it out clearly gives it even more importance to that person or entity. In this context, some great acharyas have said, Yatha priyangu patreshu gurhamarunya mishyate Srimad Bhagavate Shastre Radhika Tattvamidvisham. There's something called Mehendi. Girls put it on, they put in their hand, especially when they're going wedding, etc. They do beautiful design, Mehendi. It's also applied to make the hand red, etc. But this Mehendi leaf, the tree is green, dark green. Green. By looking at the leaf, you cannot see the redness that is in the leaf. But when it's squashed and applied, it is readily visible. In the same way, Radharani again and again is mentioned in Bhagavad Mahapuran by signs and signals. Not clearly, by signs, because of how great she is. Also, many of the great acharyas, Rasik saints, have accepted that Shukadev Paramhans, in his previous birth, he was the parrot. Shuk means parrot. The word Shuk means parrot in Sanskrit. In a previous birth, he was the pet parrot of Radharani. Her pet parrot. And he loved Radharani so much. Radharani, her pet. Shukadev is not a parrot. Shukadev is called Brahm. But he had the great fortune of being the pet of Radharani. For example, everything about Sri Krishna is divine, Radharani is divine. Their body is also divine. Chidanandamaya deha tumhari bigat bikar jani adhikari. This is Sri Krishna, Radharani is divine. Their body is also divine. What does divine mean? And we can say Devtas also have divine bodies. No. This is Chinmay. Devta's body lasts for a certain number of years and then it's finished. This is forever conscious, never decaying. Difficult to explain. And every ornament that Radharani or Sri Krishna has on their body, their clothes, everything is divine. Some great saint, Mahapurush, has gotten the great blessing of being the earring, the nose ring, the nut. That ring on the side, the wrong, that's called a nut. The besar, the pearl in the nose, is called a besar. The garlands around the neck, the dhoti, the dupatta, Radharani sari, everything is divine. Diff. Everything is divine. So Shukadev loved Radharani so much that he could not take the name Radha. When in our custom, in people who don't know, but people who know in Hinduism, Sanatana Dharma, when you love someone a lot, with so much respect, and you put them in such a high place, you never take the name. You never take their name. Once recently a devotee was calling someone by the name, and I said, "Hey, you don't do that." He said, "Oh, I didn't know." You don't take the name. So Shukdev could not take the name of Radharani clearly. Shri Radha Nama Matrena Shan Murcha Shanmasiki Bhavet. If he were to take Radharani's name once, Radhe or Radha, he would go in Samadhi for 6 months. 6 months. Murcha Shanmasiki Bhavet. And he only had 7 days to tell the whole Bhagavad to Parikshit. If he had gone in Samadhi, what will happen? So this is some of the reasons. There are more reasons. Some of the reasons I'm giving you. As I said, this is there also very clearly at a few places. And it's there by Radharani is there by many different names. Signs and signals, etc. But she's there. Sometimes she's called Gopi. In the Maharashtra, when Shri Krishna disappeared, the Gopi said, "Oh, he took another Gopi with him. He took a Gopi." Here Radharani is being referred to by the name Gopi. He took Radharani with him. So Radharani is proven to be that supreme entity, Advitiya Tattva, without a second. Radharani herself says in the Brahman, in the Brahma Vaivat Puran, Mamaiva Paurusham Rupam Gopika Janamohanam. Brahma Vaivat Puran. She says, my male form is called Shri Krishna, who is the beloved of the gopis. So here we should understand something. Even though Shri Krishna worships Radha, and Radharani is the Atma, the soul of Shri Krishna, yet they are one and the same. We should not see difference in Radha and Krishna. In the Bhakti Shatak, I told you the first verse. The second verse, Jagat Gurutam Shri Kripaluji Mahaprabhu says, Joi Radha Soi Krishna hai, inme bhed naman Radhe Radhe. एक है ह्लादिनी शक्ति अरु शक्तिमान तेहि जान राधे राधे. Bhakti Shatak, second doha. These books that Kripalu Mahaprabhu has written, little books, Bhakti Shatak, 100 dohas. In a few days he completed it. That 100 dohas contains all the philosophy of all the Vedas, all the Shastras. It's so beautiful, Bhakti Shatak. Radha Govind Geet, 11,111 verses, dohas. Shama Sham Geet, 1,008 dohas. Beautiful, beautiful. Yugal Shatak, Yugal Ras, Brajaras Madhuri, 1, 2, 3, 4. Prem Ras Madira. We people don't value now. Many of us don't even know these books exist, and even if we know, we don't care. In the future, hundreds of years to come, people will look at this book and they will hear, oh, there was an entity who came in this world. Jagat Gurutam Shri Kripalu Mahaprabhu. Radharani herself descended as Jagat Gurutam Shri Kripalu Mahaprabhu. And she wrote she left these kind of gems. These books would be treasured. Thesis would be written at all. It will be treasured, and people will start thinking about, oh, if only I was there to have a glimpse of this entity called Jagat Gurutam Sri Kripalu Mahaprabhu. And we here. So, Joi Radha Soi Krishna. The same Radha is the same Krishna. Don't see iname bhed naman. Don't see difference between Radha and Krishna. One is the Shaktiman. One is Larni Shakti. One is the Shaktiman. One is the power. One is the highest point of that power. Etc. The Vedas tell us. The Vedas are saying to the same Brahmagyani saints, Yeyam Radha Yash Krishna Sabit Dehas Chaika Kiranata Dvidha Bhut Atharvedi Radhika Tapani Upanishad. Hey, we have told you, I have told you that Radha Rani is worshipped by Shri Krishna. That her partial manifestations of Brahma, Durga, Mahalakshmi, Saraswati, etc. But there's the same Radha is the same Krishna. There's no difference between Radha and Krishna. There's only one supreme Brahman, supreme power, and that supreme power has taken two forms. They don't even have two bodies. Do sharir nahi hai. One body, one form, has taken two forms. Do roop. For what? Krida. Krida means Leela, divine pastimes. The Rigveda Radhika Upanishad says the same thing. Yeyam Radha Yasha Krishna Sabdha Kridana. Yeyam Radha Yasha Krishna Snaika. Many places. The Sanat Kumar Sangita says, Radhika Krishna Rupam Cha Krishna Radha Swarupakaha. Radha Rani takes the form, sometimes she comes as Shri Krishna, sometimes Shri Krishna comes as Radha. Radha Rani is the form of Shri Krishna, Shri Krishna is the form of Radha Rani. In the Brahma Vaivar Puran, there's a discussion on this. Yatha kshire cha dhavalyam dahakata cha hutashane. Brahma Vaivar Puran. Once, during the pastime, Leela, Ras, Radha Rani says to Shri Krishna, Hey Krishna, I cannot live in your separation without you. In reply, Shri Krishna says to Radha Rani, Hey Radha Rani, even this material world is not separate from me. And then your relation with me is like the milk and the whiteness of the milk. Can you separate it? No. Again, it's like the earth and the smell of the earth. Can you separate it? No. Again, it's like the fire and the power of the fire to burn. Can you separate it? No. In the same way, Radha Rani, we were always one, we are one, and we will always be one. Even then, without Radha Rani, there is no Krishna. If there is no Radha, there is no Krishna. Shri Krishna gets his name, form, pastimes, everything, attributes, only when Radha Rani comes. This is why अद्वितीय एक तत्व है, राधा तत्व प्रधान राधे राधे, जाको दूजो रूप है, स्वयं कृष्ण भगवान राधे राधे. So, as I said, no one can really tell about Radha. If Shri Krishna cannot tell about the greatness of Radharani, a foolish soul under Maya like me, I'm trying to make an attempt. That's why I said anadhikar cheshta, unauthorized attempt. But through the grace of the greatest saint, Radharani herself came as that saint, Jagat Guru Tam Shri Kripalu Mahaprabhu, through his grace, taken me under his shelter. I am able to tell something small about Radharani. This is why the more we know about Radharani, as I said, most people will say Radhe Radhe. Very few will say Jai Shri Krishna. Knowing that Radharani is worshipped by Shri Krishna. Atma tu Radhika tasya. You want to make Shri Krishna happy, just chant Radhe Radhe. That he is also chanting Radhe Radhe. I told you Brahma, Vishnu, Shankar. I told you last night, and I told you I'll explain today how. Durga, Lakshmi, Saraswati, they all chanting Radhe Radhe. And we people in the world, Radhe Radhe people. You tell somebody Radhe Radhe, Sitaram. Sitaram is not bad. But I do not know what is Radhe Radhe is about. I am amazed that people who claim to be devotee of Kripalu Mahaprabhu, devotee of Radharani, and you meet them, and because they do not actually say Radhe Radhe all the time, they will say Sitaram. They make a mistake and say Sitaram to me. Oh, it's Swamiji. No, say Radhe Radhe. I laugh. You call yourself devotee. You forget that Maharaji is looking at you sitting in your heart. Radharani is looking. Shri Krishna is looking. You are hiding from me. That's fine. What is so shameful that you can't say Radhe Radhe, bhaiya? Imagine Shri Krishna is chanting Radhe Radhe. I told you when he would sleep, from every pore of his body, Radhe, Radhe, Radhe. We have this thing that if I say Radhe Radhe, people would look at me differently. I do not want to be looked upon as a Radhe Radhe people. There's no shame in saying, it's just that I don't want people to, I would be ashamed, people would look at me in a different way if I say Radhe Radhe. So I say Namaste, or I say Sitaram, or nothing is wrong in Sitaram, say Radhe. But we have this thing, people will look at me differently because we do not understand who is Radharani. I don't care. I will say Radhe Radhe to the President of America, anywhere I go. Because Radharani is my Swamini. Anyhow, this is just my pride. So today we are celebrating Radhashtami. The supreme divine power appeared today to shower her blessings upon us, her grace. By Radharani's grace, we will get Shri Krishna. Otherwise, nothing. All right? So there's much more. We will hear. As I said, I can speak for 2 years, 20 years. Nobody can finish. Albeli Sarkar ki, Radha Rani ki. So we'll do some more bhajan, as today is Radha Rani's birthday, so we should sing her glories a little more. Right? Is only, fitting. So, page 107. So this bhajan says about Radharani, O pyari, 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 pyari barsane wari, O my sweet, sweet, sweet loving Radharani, who is from Barsana, her place, her divine abode is called Barsana. That Barsana you see is not the real Barsana. There's a Barsana that we can see, and there's a Barsana we cannot see. In that same Barsana, When Radharani came, she brought her Barsana from Golok. So there's a divine Barsana also. This is the divine Vrindavan. Oh pyari, 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 pyari barsane wari. Oh
प्यारी 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 बरसाने वाली
oh pyari, oh pyari, 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 pyari barsane wari.
ओ प्यारी 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 बरसाने वाली
ओ प्यार ओ भोरी भारी प्यारी मैं तो पे वारी वारी.
ओ भोरी भारी प्यारी मैं तो वारी वारी
Ah, so you got to feel it with love. It sounds so dry. Oh, Radharani is bhori bhari, innocent, naive. I sacrifice myself again and again on your innocence, Radharani. Oh, bhori bhari pyari मैं तो पे वारी वारी.
ओ भोरी भारी प्यारी मैं तो वारी वारी
बरसाने वारी प्यारी वृषभानु दुलारी प्यारी.
बरसाने वारी प्यारी विश्वानु दुलारी प्यारी
ओ प्यारी 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 बरसाने वारी.
ओ प्यारी 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 बरसाने वाली
नथ बेसरवारी प्यारी अति भोरी भारी प्यारी.
नथ बेसरवारी प्यारी अति भोरी भारी प्यारी
जोई रो कर कह मम प्यारी तेहि उर्लावती सुकुमारी.
जोई रो कर कह मम प्यारी तेरी सुकुमारी
हाँ, रो कर पुकारो. My Gurudev would always say, you have to cry with a longing in your heart and call Radharani. Don't just say Radharani, Radharani, Radhe, Radhe. Cry, cry with tears, with a feeling in your heart. दे दो निज सेवा प्यारी नहीं चाहत पदारथ चारी. सेवा
निज सेवा प्यारी नहीं चाहत
नहीं चाहत पदार्थ चारी है भगवान. नहीं चाहत पदार्थ चारी.
नहीं चाहत पदार्थ चारी
ओ प्यारी 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 बरसाने वारी.
ओ प्यारी 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 बरसाने वाली
तुम यमुना की अवतारी, बलिहारी तव बलिहारी,
तुम करुणा
बलिहारी
बलिहारी तब बलिहारी,
तुम अति कृपालु महतारी, सुध लेहु हमारी हूँ प्यारी,
तुम अति कृपालु महतारी, सुध लेहु हमारी प्यारी।
ओ प्यारी प्यारी प्यारी, प्यारी बरसाने वारी,
ओ प्यारी प्यारी प्यारी, प्यारी बरसाने वाली।
This next bhajan, number 2. So, everyone has heard the news that Radha Rani has come in the home of Kirti Ma, Queen Kirti, and King Vrishabhanu. So, all the gopis are saying to their friends, and everyone is saying, let's go and have darshan of Bhanu Dulari. Don't be talking. Let's all go and have darshan of Bhanu Dulari. Anandahu de Anand. She who gives Anand to the one who is Anand. Shri Krishna is Anand and she gives Anand. She is the Hladini Shakti. Not easy to understand. That one has appeared as Radha. She's come today. She is the very form of beauty. She is the divine bliss of bliss itself. The one who gives the bliss. Our prema piyush pali. And she is the one who gives the divine love. This is why Shri Krishna serves Radha Rani, to get that divine love from Radha Rani. Loga Lugayan. Today all the people, they are singing and dancing, celebrating in the palace of Queen Kirti and King Vrishabhanu, dancing and enjoying and singing because bliss personified has descended. Choba, chandan, all kinds of perfume and etc. have been sprinkled everywhere. The whole place, all the gullies, all the little roadside, everywhere is smelling so sweet, everywhere. Sabai vibhor kripalu prema rasa. And so everyone is so absorbed in the divine bliss, they're in samadhi, that someone has put a spell on the whole of Brij. Today, that because bliss personified, this shouldn't be surprising, has descended. चलो अली देखन भानु लली, चलो
अली देखन भानु लली,
ओ चलो अली देखन भानु लली,
चलो अली
लादिनी शाती अली चलो अली ओह लादिनी शक्ति अली चलो अली चलो देखन भानु लली
चलो आगे देखन भानु लली
रूप ही रूप रस ही रसदायिनी
रूप ही रूप रसदायिनी
प्रेम पीयूष पलिनी चलो अली
चलो
ओ चलो अली देखन भानु लली
चलो आगे देखन भानु लली
लोग लुगाइन गाई बधाइन
लोग लुगाई बधाई
ओ कीर्ति महल कीरति महल चली चलो अली कीरति
चलो
ओ चलो अली देखन भानु लली चलो
आगे देखन भानु लली
शोभा चंदन विविध सुगंधन
शोभा चंदन विविध सुगंधन
ओ सुरभित गली गली चलो अली
सुरभित गली चलो
ओ चलो अली देखन भानु लली
चलो आगे देखन भानु लली
सब विभोर कृपालु प्रेम रस जनु को छाले भानु दुलारी की।
Page 147.
कृपा करो बरसाने वारी, तेरी कृपा का भरोसा भारी।
कृपा करो बरसाने वारी, तेरी कृपा का भरोसा भारी।
तू ही मेरी साक्षी महतारी, तूने कहा श्रुति कहाँ प्यारी।
तू ही मेरी साक्षी महतारी, तूने कहा श्रुति महाप्यारी।
मेरा रोम रोम बोले प्यारी, आंसू दे के ले कृपा प्यारी।
मेरा रोम रोम बोले प्यारी, आंसू दे कृपा प्यारी।
ओ आंसू दे के ले कृपा प्यारी।
आंसू लेके कृपा प्यारी।
ओ कृपा करो बरसाने वारी, तेरी कृपा का भरोसा भारी।
कृपा करो बरसाने वारी, तेरी कृपा का भरोसा भारी।
तेरा मन है कृपा का प्यारी, तेरा तन है कृपा का प्यारी।
तेरा मन है कृपा का प्यारी, तेरा तन है कृपा का प्यारी।
तेरी कृपा तो कृपा है प्यारी, तेरा कोप भी कृपा है प्यारी।
तेरी कृपा तो कृपा है प्यारी, तेरा कोप भी कृपा है प्यारी।
ओ कृपा करो बरसाने वारी, तेरी कृपा का भरोसा भारी।
कृपा करो बरसाने वारी, तेरी कृपा का भरोसा भारी।
कृपा पर कृपा करे प्यारी, ऐसी कृपा पर वारी वारी।
कृपा पर कृपा करे प्यारी, ऐसी कृपा पर वारी वारी।
जा पर टुक कृपा करे प्यारी, वाके पाछे डोले बनवारी।
जा पर तुक कृपा करे प्यारी, वाके पाछे डोले बनवारी।
ओ कृपा करो बरसाने वारी, तेरी कृपा का भरोसा भारी।
कृपा करो बरसाने वारी,
बोलो
तेरी कृपा का भरोसा भारी।
को हो या न हो अधिकारी, सब पर कृपा करे प्यारी। पर कृपा करे प्यारी, मुझ पर कृपा करु प्यारी, तब जानू तू कृपालु प्यारी।
मुझ पर कृपा करो प्यारी, तब जानू तू कृपालु प्यारी।
ओ कृपा करु बरसाने वारी, तेरी कृपा का भरोसा भारी।
कृपा करो बरसाने वाली, तेरी कृपा का भरोसा भारी।
कृपा मांगना सिखा दे प्यारी, तेरी कृपा का भरोसा भारी।
कृपा मांगना सिखा दे प्यारी, तेरी कृपा का भरोसा भारी।
तेरी कृपा पाके पिय प्यारी, बनी गए हैं कृपालु प्यारी।
तेरी कृपा पाके पिया प्यारी, बन गए हैं कृपालु प्यारी।
ओ कृपा करू बरसाने वारी, तेरी कृपा का भरोसा भारी।
कृपा करो बरसाने वाली, तेरी कृपा का भरोसा भारी।
बोले बरसाने वारी की जय। You all tired? Who want to go home? If you want to go, it's fine. I can't stop you. Today, in the home of Bhanu, King Vrishabhanu, Bhanu Bhoop, Radha Rani has appeared. And there's a grand celebration, big celebration. So many entities have come in disguise. Brahma, Vishnu, Shankar, Durga, Lakshmi, Mahalakshmi, Saraswati, great, great entities, but in disguise. Radha Rani has appeared. In the sky, the Devatas have come with their aerial cars and they're playing huge drums, etc. Barsana has been decorated so beautiful today because Radha Rani has come. So beautiful that Vaikunt, the abode of Mahavishnu, Phika ho gaya, has become non-existent, like a candle fly before the noonday sun. Absolutely useless. In all the directions on this day, so much music is being played, people are dancing and they are singing, that no one you can't even hear anyone if you want to. Nobody wants to. In that joy and that bliss, no one is hearing anything. Yashoda Maiya and Nanda Baba, by the handful, they're taken the best gems, not Yashoda, Kirti Ma, Queen Kirti, and King Vrishabhanu, the king of Barsana, and throw in, nobody cares. It's fallen everywhere. Why? Sudhi kahu ki sab deh videha. Today everybody has become videha. Videha means Paramhans. The father of Mother Sita is called Janak, is called Videha. Videha means one who has no feeling of the body. He is Paramhans. Doesn't hear, doesn't see. There are some devotees like that. They don't hear, they don't see anything. They say, I am Paramhans. You tell them one thing 10 times and still didn't hear. Anyhow, but this is the real thing. They have gone, because they're in the samadhi, that bhav of that Hladni Shakti, that the best of gems have been thrown, but they have gotten the highest gem. That is Radharani today. That's why no one cares. Vidihar har kahat ek swar. As I said, Brahma, Vishnu, Shankar, and all the celestial devatas and all the devis, Durga, Lakshmi, Mahalakshmi, Saraswati, they're all there in disguise. And they're all saying, Hladni Shakti ki jai, Radha Rani ki jai. They're glorifying. They're doing the Jaikar of Radha Rani. So great is the birthday, this birthday of Hladni Shakti, that Kripalu Mahaprabhu says in the last line, uncountable Brahmanan. Brahmanan means the bliss of the formless aspect of Sri Krishna. It's called Brahmanan, which the Jnanis strive to attain. There's nothing. It's infinite bliss, but the Jnani poor fellow experiences nothing. Even then, uncountable Brahmanand can be sacrificed. And Kripalu Mahaprabhu says, I sacrifice uncountable Brahmanands today on this wonderful day of the birthday of Radharani. Bhanu bhoop ghar bajat badhai, Bhanu bhoop ghar bajat badhai. O Bhanu bhoop ghar bajat badhai, Bhanu bhoop ghar bajat badhai. Prakati ank lali kirat ke, Prakati ank lali kirat ke. O Deva Brind, Deva Brind dundu bhi bajai, Deva Brind O Bhanu bhoop ghar bajat badhai, Bhanu bhoop ghar bajat badhai. O bajat badhai, aaj bajat badhai, bajat badhai, aaj bajat badhai. O Bhanu bhoop ghar bajat badhai, Bhanu bhoop ghar bajat badhai. चहुदिशि विविध बाजने बाजत, ओ परत न कहूँ कछु शब्द सुनाई, बजत बधाई आज बजत बधाई, बजत बधाई आज बजत बधाई। ओ भानु भूप घर बजत बधाई, भानु भूप घर बजत बधाई। भरी भरी मुट्ठी मनिन मोतिन की, भरी भरी मुट्ठी मनिन मोतिन की। ओ यद्यपि कीरति मातु लुटाई, यद्यपि कीरति मातु लुटाई। तदपि न लूटन की सुधि काहुई, तदपि न लूटन की सुधि काहुई। ओ सबे विदेह देह पर पाई, ओ भजत बधाई आज भजत बधाई, भजत बधाई आज भजत बधाई। ओ भानु भूप घर भजत बधाई, भानु भूप घर भजत बधाई। विधि हरिहर सुर कहत एक स्वर, विधि हरिहर सुर कहत एक स्वर। ओ जय जय लादिनी शक्ति सुहाई,
जय जय लादिनी शक्ति सुहाई।
ओ बजत बधाई आज बजत बधाई,
बजत बधाई आज बजत बधाई।
ओ भानु भूप घर बजत बधाई,
भानु भूप घर भजत बधाई।
करत कृपालु निछावर तापर,
करत कृपालु निछावर तापर।
ओ करत कृपालु निछावर तापर,
करत कृपालु निछावर तापर।
ओ निज कर कोटि ब्रह्म सुख जाई,
निज कर कोटि ब्रह्म सुख जाई।
ओ निज कर कोटि ब्रह्म सुख जाई,
निज कर कोटि ब्रह्म सुख जाई।
ओ निज कर कोटि ब्रह्म सुख जाई,
निज कर कोटि ब्रह्म सुख जाई।
ओ भजत बधाई आज भजत बधाई,
भजत बधाई आज
बधाई हो भजत बधाई आज भजत बधाई,
भजत बधाई आज भजत बधाई।
ओ भानु भूप घर भजत बधाई,
भानु भूप घर भजत बधाई।
ओ भानु भूप घर भजत बधाई,
भानु भूप घर भजत बधाई।
ओ भानु भूप घर भजत बधाई।
भानु भूप घर भजत बधाई।
बोले भानु दुलारी की, राधा रानी की, लादिनी शक्ति की, अलबेली सरकार की, श्रीमद सद्गुरु सरकार की, वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की, प्यारी प्यारी अम्मा की जय जय श्री राधे, जय जय श्री राधे, जय जय